Okay, I normally don't do this, but I got to tell you right now, this is the jelly apples I just made, my grandpa's. And I was experimenting with this myself because he held this secret close to the chest, and I never really knew how he did it. So I kind of experimented with this. I wanted to share it with you. And how they turned out was really pretty good. I really wanted them to be more like a jelly apple rather than a hard kind of a coating. It kind of come in between, and the temperature was around 250 on the sugary substance over there. And the thing is that it tastes great. When you bite it, you're gonna have to work a little bit because well, it sticks to your teeth a little bit. But go ahead and try them if you want to. I said, you know what? If you have any suggestions, I'm here. Send them to me. I'll try that. Okay. Meanwhile, oh, like I said, it sticks together. Maybe this is a good thing. I won't be able to talk so much. Sorry.